In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your domain name in Squarespace and add a new website URL. Understanding how to manage your domain is crucial for customizing your website and ensuring that it matches your brand identity. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, start by navigating to your Squarespace homepage. This is where all your site management tools are located and serves as a central hub for everything you need. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this page because it gives you access to all the configurations you'll need to adjust your website. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Settings button. This is your gateway to more detailed options that govern various aspects of your site. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Domains and Email. This section is particularly important as it handles all matters related to your website's domain and associated email settings. Clicking on this will guide you to another set of options. Here, select Domains, which will allow you to manage your site's domain configurations. If you're looking to acquire a new domain, Squarespace makes this straightforward with the Get a Domain option. Selecting this will open a search bar where you can explore available domain names that match your brand or personal preference. It's crucial to choose a name that is both original and memorable, keeping your audience in mind. However, if you already have a domain that you own and wish to associate with your Squarespace website, you'll want to click on Use a Domain I Own. This option allows you to connect your existing domain to your new Squarespace website. Essentially, what this does is map your existing URL so that users will be directed to your Squarespace website whenever they type it in their browser. This step is particularly useful if you've already established a domain with another provider but are transitioning to Squarespace. Once you've selected the option to use your existing domain, you'll need to type in the domain name. Make sure to enter it accurately, as any errors here could prevent users from reaching your site. After entering your domain, follow any on-screen instructions that may appear. These will typically guide you through final confirmation steps to ensure that your domain is properly connected. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to manage domain settings within Squarespace. Whether acquiring a brand new domain or integrating one you already own, understanding these steps can enhance your website's identity and overall user accessibility. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore more of our tutorials to keep mastering your online presence.